Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Northwest. For those of you that don't know where that is, that's area MLS 51, everything north of US 6 and west of State Route 25, and excludes Area 53, which is Perrysburg Township, and Area 55, which is Bowling Green. So digging into the numbers here, the average month supply of inventory right now, folks, is 1.1. What this means is we do not have enough sellers to meet all the demand of the buyers that are currently in the market. And because of that, we are likely to see housing continuing to soar month over month. Now, if we look at median and average sale prices, this number is a little bit deceiving because what this could mean is we're starting to see some less expensive housing hitting the market in droves in this area. And I know that there's been a lot of auctions that have been hitting the market as well, which may be driving this price down. Last year we could have had a lot of new construction versus this year we may have far less. So please don't let this number deceive you. The concerning number is right here. Supply and demand dictates that if supply is very low and demand is very high, pricing is likely to follow. So if you've been contemplating about making a move and you have a house to sell in Northwest Wood County, now is your chance to make the deal and to get the absolute most for your house. Yes, it's going to be a little bit more difficult on the buying side, but the benefit that you have right now is you take the equity that you're gaining from the sale of your house, flipping it over into the new house that will fit you, your family, and your lifestyle better, and taking advantage of this historically low interest rate, which is likely to not stay here for long. A lot of folks have been talking doom and gloom and the market's going to crash and blah, 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 blah. I call BS on that. The market, we may see a slight correction, but we're not going to see a crash. We will more likely see a plateau, meaning we will see less of the 20-30% increases in price year over year. And we may see a flattening of the curve, but we will not see a crash. What is more likely to happen is we will see interest rates going up. We will see cost of living going up. And what that will likely turn into is housing will become less affordable tomorrow than it is today. So if you've been on the fence, please give us a call. Let's plan your next move for a better tomorrow today. I promise you it's a zero risk appointment. I'm not here to sell you a thing. My job is to help you make better decisions. That's what I'm here to do, folks. I want you to succeed. When you succeed, I succeed. So I hope that you have found this video to be informative and helpful. And if you find that you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. That way you do not miss any future installments of your local market updates. It's been an absolute pleasure having you here with me. I hope, again, that you have found some value in this, and I hope to be of service to you sometime soon. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thank you so much for joining us, and you make this the best day yet. Have a great one.